In this segment of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to start an instant meeting in Microsoft Teams. So to start an instant meeting, we go to Microsoft Teams and then click on Calendar. And then on the top right, we have an option for Meet Now. Then click on Meet Now here, give it a title to the meeting, and then you can either get a link to share with participants, and you can share that via email, and then simply click on Start Meeting, and then click on Join Now. You're also again prompted to get the meeting link or add the participants and invite them from the right hand side by either searching for their name or inviting them if they were part of your team. Once you're done with your meeting, you click on Leave or End Meeting by clicking on the down arrow here, and then select End Meeting for all. And obviously, to schedule a meeting for sometime in the future, you'd use the New Meeting option here on the top right. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.